Alright, so someone was asking, how do you find the math out? Let's do this super quick. This is just motorized bicycle engine, mineral. How do you find out the speed the bike's going with one of these? So, if you know the RPM, we'll do 3. We'll do 15,000, which is crazy, 9,500, and 6,000. Alright, so just to say, it's doing that. This is a 20-tooth sprocket, and this is an 82-tooth, so that would be, what, 4 to 1? 4, 1 to 1. That's your ratio of that. So we would divide this by 4.1, this by 4.1, this by 4.1. 3, 6, 5, 8, and then 2, 3, 1, 7, and then 1, 4, 6, 3. So that would be the RPM of this right here, your clutch now. So with that, we now are on this side with the sprocket, and this is 10 tooth. So we'll do 10T, and we'll do the extreme, 32T. Alright, so if you do out the math for that, you divide that by that, you get 3.2 to 1. So this has to spin 3.2 times for every 1 time the 32 tooth sprocket spins in the back. So we have to divide this number by 3.2 now. So we'll just do the 15K, 9, 5, and 6. Let's see, we got 1, 1, 4, 3. We got 7, 2, 4, and we got 4, 5. There, we'll round it up even. Alright. So, now, this speed here, we have oh my great wheel here. Alright, this is the speed at which the wheel is turning right here. So, we have to figure out the area and how to do that. So, we got, let's do a standard 26-inch. To do that, it's 12.93. So that's 1 for 1 mile per hour. So a 26-inch wheel, every time it spins 12.93 revolutions a minute, it's 1 mile per hour. So what we need is to divide these numbers by 12.93. So we'll do this out again. We'll do 15K, 9.5K, 6K. Divide that by that. That would be 88 miles per hour. This would be 55 miles per hour. And this would be 35 miles per hour. So, I hope that explains your question. But that's how you figure it out. So this would be the max speed with this engine. You could, at 15K, would be 88 miles an hour, 9.5K, 55 miles an hour, and 6K, 35 miles an hour. So you got a couple of problems, and I'll explain something quickly here. These are all high-end bearings. Not one of them is rated for over 7,500 RPM. So if you do plan on beating the crap out of one of these, number one, you have to have a super balanced crank. And you would need really good bearings, but they're not going to last very long. When you exceed the limit of the bearings, they actually flatten and damage the pins and stuff, and they fail right after. As you can see, this one was over revved. So, I mean, the typical engine is 6,500 RPM, and typical like race engine, like 7,000 RPM roughly that they run them. And anything beyond that, they rebuild it after the race. So if you plan on rebuilding one of these a whole bunch of times, go crazy. But average speed of an engine is about 6,000 RPM. A little higher in bursts and stuff on and off, but if you run it flat out for a long time, you're going to blow them up. So keep that in mind. And then good sealed wheel bearings. Those hubs are only rated for 60 max, and that's from an e-bike actually right there. If you use the loose ball ones where you got your nuts on your shaft that hold them together, if those pull tight, it breaks the axle and whatever, but that's rated for no more than 35 miles an hour. So anyways, alright, peace.